What's going on, guys? Pete here. Today we're going to be talking about the Olsa Tools Gearless Ratchet. Let's get into it. So this is my 1/4 inch gearless ratchet, and this is my 3/8 big boy gearless ratchet. There's a size comparison. So we got part number 1380 for the 3/8 drive, and we got 1381 for the 1/4 inch drive. And like I said in the beginning, these are gearless, so there is no back drag. So it's very efficient. You can get in a tight spot when you got a little bit of area and take a bolt out. I'm about to show you. I got this bolt taken out right here. There's not a lot of room to get a wrench or even a socket and ratchet in here. As you can see, that's my thumb in comparison. So that should work. If you look at the anvil right here, you can see it is slowly turning. And in a tight situation, this is all you need. All right, guys, so in conclusion, will you use these ratchets every single day? Probably not. But when you gotta get in a tight spot, you ain't got a lot of room, pick you up a gearless ratchet from Olsa Tools. $23 for the 1/4 inch, $29 for the 3/8, or you can buy them both together for $49. Can't beat the price. Quality made stuff. See you on the next one. And yes, Olsa Tools also sells these tool grids. I know everybody's gonna ask about it.